you guys, welcome to a new vlog. We've actually just arrived at this beautiful property in Varanasi called the Tree of Life. If you guys remember, I went to one of the chains in Jaipur with my family a couple of months ago, and now we're back to the one in Varanasi, and it's so beautiful. It's literally the perfect property to come to with your family. So I'm here with my parents, Siddharth's parents, and Siddharth's younger brother Arham, and yeah, it's just going to be a lovely family trip here for 3 days. And we've just gotten here, and yeah, it's beautiful. It's so green around me right now, and I'll quickly show you the room because it is beautiful. I can't stop saying the word beautiful, but it is also beautiful. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys through what we get up to in this trip, but I'm also going to try and enjoy as much as possible. So maybe this vlog is not going to be as detailed, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, let me show you the room. Look at this. They left us a cute little message for Siddharth and I. And guys, look at this gorgeous painting. So every room has a unique painting, and these paintings have actually been done by the students at the Varanasi college, at the Banaras University, I think he said, I'm not sure, but beautiful paintings. Anyway, let me give you a quick tour of our room. Everyone's staying on the same floor. My parents, Siddharth's parents, and this is our room. There's a little study area, the bed with this gorgeous painting. There's just a lot of art all over the room, and I love the bathroom and the little wardrobe area as well. I love the sink that they have, it's so cute. And that's me. Hello. I love what I'm wearing. Today's airport outfit is from this brand called Happy Space. I'll link it down below, you can check it out, but it's super comfy. And yeah, this is the bathroom. And that's my husband. Hi husband. What's up? And they've left us some sweets. And that's the balcony. I love how colorful the room is. There's a lot of art. I love the rug as well. Hi Arham.
Hi.
That's Siddharth's younger brother, by the way. That's my vlog. And this is the outdoor area with the view to the pool and the Ganga Kund. Okay, this is a satisfying view. I like to kind of display my wardrobe when I'm on a holiday right in the beginning, just so that I know what my outfits are gonna look like. All my bags, my outfits, shoes, and then I have some outfits and my lingerie in here and some accessories. Now we're ready for this trip. And I have some PJs here. Hi guys, it's been a while. We actually didn't really do much since I last saw you. We've just been resting it out because we had an early morning flight and literally just chatting away. So yeah, we didn't really do much, so you guys didn't really miss anything. But I just got myself ready for dinner. The hotel has kindly arranged like a poolside dinner. It's, I think, a candlelit dinner tonight, so I just kind of got myself ready a little bit. I'm wearing this dress from Nikita Maisekar. Absolutely love it. It's got so much volume, like, oh my god, look at the fabric. It's beautiful. And I've just belted it up with this Zara belt. I'm carrying my little Jacquemus. That this bag is always such a conversation starter, or there have to be comments asking what I fit in this bag. But guys, honestly, this bag fits a lot. Like everything that I possibly need, like my card, money, a lipstick, my house keys, and yeah, I guess that's about it. And maybe like a chewing gum or whatever. And you don't really need much when you go out at night, right? So it carries the essentials, so in case you're wondering. But I know it's really tiny anyway. And I'm just wearing my little brown Oran sandals. And that's my look for the night. we just walked into the room with balloons on the bed. So cute.
And flowers on the table.
Yeah, there are also flowers on the table. Thank you so much. They got us a cake, the flowers.
Even the food was so good.
Yeah, tonight was really nice. So pretty.
Good morning, Jawaisa,
Good morning.
Kavarsa, and Sansa.
Good morning, guys. So we just had breakfast and now I am heading back to the room to change. I just wore this pretty purple dress from this brand called Limerick with my Valentino bag and just some simple black flats, and I just want to get some pictures in this dress. And now yeah, I'm just gonna go change, and the plan is that we're going to the city today. We're gonna go visit some of these beautiful temples in Varanasi, and then we'll probably come back for lunch, get freshened up, and then go to the Varanasi Ghats. So I'm excited to explore the city, but yeah, just creating some content for now, and then we're gonna get going. Good morning.
Good morning.
Alright, so now we are headed to Kashi Vishwanath and Kal Bhairav, beautiful temples here in Varanasi, and today is actually Shiv Bhagwan's day, so my mom really wanted to go to the temple, so that's where we're going this morning, and then we'll probably come back for lunch and go to the ghats in the evening. But yeah, and Siddharth and I are twinning in white and Aram is sitting there. Hi.
Hi.
Just got my COVID test done. Hi you guys, so this is the next day. I don't think I vlogged much yesterday. You guys saw me when I was headed to the mandir yesterday, but it was quite a long day actually. We had this Abhishek Puja that happened at the temple, and then that took quite some time, and then we were just like, you know, going to other temples for darshan, and then we came back to the hotel and I wasn't feeling too well, like my head was hurting a lot. So yeah, I just like showered, freshened up. There was a beautiful aarti at this hotel as well, so we did that. It was basically, you know, they were trying to show what the Ganga aarti is usually like in Varanasi, so they kind of recreated that aarti in their own way at the hotel. It was very beautiful. And yeah, that was it. I just had dinner and slept early because I wasn't feeling too well, and I wasn't too well this morning as well. I woke up with a very heavy head and like I had a bad headache and stuff, so I took Crocid and I'm feeling much better. Just had some lunch and just got myself ready. I'm wearing this beautiful suit from Myra Jaipur, and we're actually headed to the Ganga Ghats, and very excited because so beautiful, but I'm a little nervous because it looks like it's gonna start raining, and if it does, we won't really get to go on the boat and all of that, so we'll see. I'm hoping it doesn't rain and we get to go on the boat and see the beautiful puja at 5:30. But yeah, we'll see. Just about to leave. It's about 4 p.m. right now, so we should get going. I just want to start the vlog, and I'll try and vlog as much today. Couldn't vlog yesterday, but it's okay. And I also actually want to take you around the property because it's so beautiful, so I thought I'll show you a few bits. So I'll probably do that tomorrow because tomorrow we're checking out a little late. Our flight is at 4 p.m. so we have some time in the first half, so yeah, we'll see. But let's get going. Just want to start the vlog, and yeah. next day, and in fact we're about to leave for Bombay in a few hours. I've not been keeping too well. Yesterday you guys saw we went to the Varanasi Ghats and we witnessed the beautiful Ganga Aarti as well, and it was such a beautiful evening. I was so grateful to be there with the family and witness all of that. And I think we also got lucky that it didn't rain first of all, and also it was quite like empty. At least the river was when we went out boating and all of that. So it was quite nice to it was pretty much just us on the river with those views, so it was beautiful. And then I felt a little sick last night because I ended up throwing up. My body is not really used to eating so much junk, and I've been pretty much eating out a lot this entire month because so many birthdays in August. There were a lot of family dinners as well, so I've been eating a lot of like junk food. So my body just gave up and I ended up throwing up last night. So I've had a migraine. I woke up with a migraine as well, but now I'm feeling much better. And I got myself ready to shoot a little bit because this property is so beautiful. I wanted to take a few pictures, so Siddharth came along with me. We shot a little bit, and it's been so hot, like it's I think like 42 degrees or something. It's so hot. So we were struggling to shoot, but we did. Let me show you what I'm wearing because I love this outfit. The skirt is from Shivan and Naresh. Absolutely love it. It is a little big on me. Like if it was a little tighter, it would sit perfectly. But I love this skirt. It is from their latest collection. Absolutely love it. And I've just kind of teamed it up with a white shirt. It actually has a matching top to go with, like a bikini top. But I just teamed it up with a shirt. And I have some gold jewelry on. I actually had earrings as well. I just removed them. And my hair was in a bun. I'll probably insert the picture of this outfit right now so you guys see how I styled it. But yeah, we just shot a little bit since morning, and now I'm just gonna start packing and we're gonna head to the hotel. And before we leave, as I promised, I will show you around the property because it is beautiful. So I'm gonna try and show you a little bit and then I'll probably end the vlog.